Today we learn about how to calculate Bowley's coefficient of skewness. Professor Bowley has suggested a formula based on relative position of quartiles. In a symmetrical distribution, the quartiles are equidistant from the value of the median. But in a skewed distribution, the quartiles will not be equidistant from the median. Hence, Bowley has suggested the following formula. The Bowley's coefficient of skewness is given by Sk is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 times Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. Let us go for calculating this for a given problem. We consider a class interval 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, and you take the corresponding frequencies as 18, 35, then 48, 34, 38 and 12. Now let us go for calculating the cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency value will be 18, then 53, 101, 135, 173 and 185. So let us sum of the frequencies value is equal to 185. Let us first calculate n by 4. So the n by 4 value will be 46.25 and n by 2 value will be equal to 185 by 2, it will be 92.5, and 3n by 4 value is equal to, it is 3 times 46.25, the value is coming as 138.75. Based on these values, let us go for fixing the classes, quartile classes. Here we got n by 4 as 46.25. In the cumulative frequency column, find a cumulative frequency just greater than 46.25. So the value will be 53 and the corresponding class interval will be the Q1 class. So this is the Q1 class. So the lower limit will be the L1 and the corresponding frequency we take it as F1 and the cumulative frequency value just preceding the Q1 class we will take it as M1. Now similarly we go for the Q2 class. For Q2 class n by 2 value is 92.5. In the cumulative frequency column find a value just greater than 92.5. So that is nothing else 101. So the corresponding class interval we will be having it as Q2 class and the lower limit will be L2 and the corresponding frequency let me take it as F2 and preceding the cumulative frequency value will be the 53. It is denoted as M2. For the third quartile, find in the cumulative frequency column a value which is just greater than 138.75. So value will be 173. So the corresponding class interval will be the Q3 class. And the lower limit will take it as L3, corresponding frequency as F3, and just preceding the cumulative frequency we take it as M3. Now based on this let us go for calculating the Q1, Q2 and Q3 values and later on substitute in the SK formula. So Q1 formula will be, it is L1 plus n by 4 minus M1 divided by F1 into C. Here actually C is nothing else the class intervals width, so it is 10 because all the class intervals ranges from 40 to 50, 50 to 60 class intervals with this 10. So let us go for substituting the values of L1, M1, F1 and C and n by 4 in this one. On simplification we get Q1 value as 58.07. Similarly your Q2 value will be L2 plus n by 2 minus M2 by F2 into C. On simplification we get the value as 68.23 and your Q3 value will be, it is L3 plus 3n by 4 minus M3 by F3 into C, which is value on simplification we get 80.99. Now let us go for substituting these values in the SK formula. The SK formula will be Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 times Q2 divided by Q3 minus Q1. Substituting the calculated value in this one, we get the value as 1.134. So here we get a positive list.